What up, JD gang? We back with another video today. Right now we sitting at the storage waiting on Wale to come back from his route he ran. So today we just tuning in with y'all, let y'all know how our week was. We had a real successful week with only Amazon Relay.
Back local, you feel me?
Right, back local. And it feel good to have our drivers be at home every night and still be able to make some money. So also our trainings, we did 6 trainings this week as well. So we knocked out all those trainings, had a successful week with Amazon Relay, and we just bringing y'all the content.
Yes sir, man. So if y'all still trying to book those Amazon Relay one-day trainings, man, they are still active. Wale did 3 trainings last night, so he's on the way back to the storage now. And what was the other night we did it?
I think the first night we had started.
Okay, Friday.
Yeah,
Friday. Last Friday, Wale did 3 more trainings. I think we did one of them. No, we did one.
Oh wait, so that was the same night. So that was Saturday then.
Okay, yeah. So we actually got in the truck, man, and trained 3 of the drivers as well, man. So that was live, you know. But yeah, man. So we just want to talk about. We just want to talk about our week, man, with Amazon Relay. Like I said, this is our first week back doing Amazon Relay with a driver, and you know what I'm saying, it went real successful, man. So we just want to go like over the numbers and everything like that of what we grossed this week, you know. So
right, and our main reason for going back to Amazon and doing the local runs is because of we really can make like the same amount of money staying local. So if we can do the same thing, then
yeah, man,
why not?
And definitely too, man, that fuel.
Right. And fuel. Also Amazon, if y'all don't know, Amazon has a fuel surcharge. So anytime they see that the fuel is increasing or anything is going on in the real world, Amazon adapts to that to keep us running and keep things making sense.
Yes, sir.
Whereas out there over the road, y'all know those brokers, they don't have no fuel surcharge. It's just they base rate that they trying to give you.
And they're not paying, bro. So I want y'all to be in the comments, man. Drop a comment, man, if you OTR right now. Let me know how it is. Like I said, we still dispatching, we moving our trucks, but it's kind of slow, man, out there. You know, it's kind of slow, but you know, we still able to get these drivers a lot of money, but it's just not how it used to be. You know what I'm saying? But
it just feel like we having to really pull teeth out of these brokers. Like that's what it feel like. Like it was at first, it was like, okay, we trying to get that $2.50 a mile. And now it's like we can barely get there, so it's just it's more of a
struggle. It's more of a stress. I ain't gonna say it's more of a stress, but it's more of a I don't know. It's just more of a struggle, man, getting these loads now. You know what I'm saying? Being a dispatcher, or maybe you owner operator booking your own loads. Maybe it's more of a struggle too. You know, I know a lot of guys not running their trucks too as well right now. You know, because nobody's really paying like that. So
even with some of our brokers that we have a relationship with, like, we usually be able to like get some type of money out of them, but now they like, I can really only sit you at $2. Like that's the most I can do for you. So it's just like, but dang.
Yeah, man. But nonetheless, man, we want to go over the Amazon routes, man. Like I said, man, so we started on Friday, April 8th. That was when we hired our first driver. Well, you say second driver because Wale, like I say, always been employed with us or whatever. So our first what the fuck is that? All right, so our first load, man, was from Houston, you know, San Antonio. That one was paying $2.89 a mile. That one paid $610.
That's actually no contact too.
That was a no contact load, 1 stop, so he didn't have to touch the freight, nothing like that. The next load was $666, paying 287 cents a mile, and we ran this is the load we ran. Shit, this one was $2.68 a mile, paying $602. The next one was $615, paying $2.93 a mile. Then we booked the load for $850, paying $3.79 a mile.
That was a good night.
That was a great night. And then we booked another load, paying $311, going $18.32 a mile. And then we booked another one for $616, $2.75 a mile. And we booked a load to last night for $620, going $2.75 a mile. So this was a great week, you know what I'm saying, with Amazon. We always try to stay above 4,200. Now we trying to stay above 4,500. So this week, man, we grossed, what was that?
Plus like $48.90.
Yeah, Yeah, $48.90, man. That's what we grossed just with Amazon alone. The drivers was able to come home every single morning, every single night. And fuel was low. You know what I'm saying? Our fuel just wasn't outrageous like it would be going OTR. So it was, you know what I'm saying, it was awesome, man. It was definitely awesome, man. So I think the fuel was like $9.50. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, $9.50 to $1,000 up and down. So it was still expensive, but we still able to profit some good money just off this one truck.
Right.
So that was the goal. Like I said, y'all, we scaling the company back up. We want to test Amazon out first. We want to test it out first with a driver and, you know, with our rental truck. And we just want to see what will be our numbers, you know what I'm saying, if we run Amazon Relay. Can we still make plenty of money with Amazon? And the answer is yes, you know.
Yes, with early access.
Oh, damn, that's the key. Hold on, yes, that is the key.
With early access.
That's the key right there, bro. Like, you gotta have early access, bro, because I tell them it be so many loads.
Even right now, we got loads scheduled right now that's going like 20, 40 miles, paying like $200, $300, and it's like $10 a mile. $10
a mile, bro.
So those loads right there, you would not see those loads if you did not have early access.
Right. And this load is for tomorrow, man. This one, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like, I don't know, but it's $10 a mile. The next one is $10 a mile, and you know, these are early access loads, man. Like, once that early access, that little lock goes off, I mean, that it's not even gonna make it there. So you gotta have early access, man, to stay consistent booking good loads with Amazon. Like, there is no way you cannot. I mean, you gotta have early access, right, man.
We did not miss a day this week. Like, we literally hit it 7 days a week. Yeah. Early access. Now, we didn't have early access. That's what made us go OTR, because it was like, dang, we missing a day, we missing days, we missing back-to-back days. It's like we missing out on money. Whereas now we didn't miss not one day this week. Yeah. So definitely, man, if you're thinking about going back to Amazon, definitely do that. Like I said, if you're still thinking about going OTR, we are still taking on people for the dispatching, which will keep your truck moving. Even though it's slow, we just still know the area that we need to send you to. You know, we definitely know the areas not to send you to, because it's a lot of dry places out here right now. It's a lot of dry places, man. So we definitely know the areas now not to send you to and everything like that. So if you're still looking for dispatching, y'all can definitely email us at jdlogistics221@gmail.com. And yeah, man, so we just want to talk to y'all about the Amazon, man. Like I say, we did pretty good this week. And I'm gonna show y'all Wale, man, because Wale has been doing this thing, man, with these trainings. He been knocking them out, you know. And if y'all still looking, like I say, to book y'all Amazon Relay training, man, we still available. Now we can do the Amazon trainings any day you want to. We used to have it on the weekend. Did we update the calendar for just the weekend? I haven't updated yet, but I am gonna go and update it, because we was only doing it Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Right. So now we can open it up to 7 days a week, because Wale is available 7 days a week now. So.
Right. Well, he will be available in May, but we do have another driver that, you know, he's awesome as well too. Yeah. So yeah, man. So like I say, Wale is available 7 days a week. I'm tripping. Okay, yeah, you're right. So yeah, man, if y'all trying to book those Amazon Relay trainers, I'm gonna put the link in the description like we always do. If y'all trying to book a consultation, man, go ahead and get that consultation in. We've been doing a lot of consultations, man. We love talking to y'all.
Consultations, there's been a lot of trainings. Like, that link's been busting.
Yeah, man.
So we definitely appreciate y'all.
Yeah, we definitely appreciate all y'all, man. Definitely, bro. Definitely, man. Back up no more, dog.
I'm going to back up.
Well, you know what? I guess that's cool. I guess that's fine. Yeah, you go. See what that boy backing up game look like, man. See if he parked right, y'all. I don't know if he parked right. Let's see. On that line. Hey, Wale. You still on the line over here.
Oh, through?
Yeah, it's like slanted on this line.
So come over like a little more this way?
Yeah. I got a little rusty with that backing up though.
Man, look, I got it though. Shit.
What y'all think about that backing up, man? He just did, man. I don't know about that one.
Oh, y'all know me. Y'all know how I get down. Come on, man. Come on, man. Y'all know.
He did three trainers in one day, man.
Three trainers in one day.
Three trainers in one day, man. Yep. Boy, knocking this shit out.
Easy.
Easy money.
Easy money. Easy money.
Easy money, dog. Nah, hell yeah. All right, we just want to say we appreciate you, bro.
Nah, appreciate y'all.
For real, man. Because you really be coming through with the trainings. Even though you're still in college, man, you're doing the college thing. You got your own business going, too.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Tell them about the business, man.
So, look, I do credit. Oh. I learned from my boy Jess, though. Tap in with Jess. So, got my credit business.
Tap in with you, man. I'm done. I'm done, man.
So, on top of the credit, I'm doing taxes. On top of tax, I got my own dispatching company. And then once I got out of school, I'm gonna go ahead and start my first Airbnb. Once again, I'm gonna help.
Yes,
Jess gonna help me with that as well. So y'all tap in with Jess first, though.
Yes, sir. Hey, Airbnb, dog, it's gonna be the easiest money you ever made, bro. I'm telling you. Tell them. Airbnb.
Easiest money you gonna ever make.
Airbnb is so easy, bro. People just don't understand, bro. And you don't have to own the property. Just like we run these trucks, you don't have to own the trucks to make money. Like people don't understand that, bro. You use other people's property.
That's why it's more brainy for us to get these rentals too, because it was like with our Airbnbs we got rentals, so why not get a rental truck and run a trucking company? It just makes sense.
Facts, man. Facts. Okay. All right, bro. I know you're tired, man. I'm gonna let you go, man.
I'm not even about to go to sleep. I gotta go send off the credit package.
Oh,
as soon as I get to school, so shit.
Money. Hey,
exactly. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, bro.
All right, bro. That's a bit, man. That's it. We gonna finish our vlog. But appreciate it, Wale. I just wanted to touch bases with you, bro.
Appreciate you.
Really. All right, JD gang, man. So like I say, that's the end of this vlog, man. We want to just give a special shout out to Wale, man. You know what I'm saying, for rocking with us through him being in college and school and still being, you know what I'm saying, able to take on trainings and everything like that, man. So you got anything to say about Wale, man?
No, I really thank him for being on the team. I thank him for still being loyal while he still got all his other endeavors that he got going on. So definitely a team player. So
yes, sir, man. And like I say, man, we had a successful week with Amazon, man, and man, we profited pretty good, man, this week. So we definitely gonna get our second truck and hire another driver. So man, let's, you know, it's time to run it up. We trying to get the 3 trucks by May, hopefully, or probably like the beginning of May. We should have 3 trucks or whatever. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay with us on our journey to success and our journey. We're gonna keep y'all posted. We're gonna keep, you know what I'm saying, updating y'all on the journey, man. So appreciate y'all for rocking with us, man. JD gang, man. We about to go eat.